All right, let's go over how to draw Venom T-rex, okay? Like you got it taken over the symbiote. It's gonna be easy and for beginners, okay? And you can either join along with me and do it with me, or you can just watch, and there's definitely a lot of learning and just watching as well, okay? So, short video, let's get started. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna go over here kind of to the brow area of the T-rex, and then curve up over here, down. Gonna go over here in this area, curve up. For the eye area, curve around here, out, down, right on, pulling up, curve in and pull in here. Up over here. And I'm gonna go kind of the snout of the T-Rex, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curve up right for the top. And it's gonna be kind of ridgy at the top there. All right. Hopefully you're doing good, by the way. I'm having a really great day. All right, let's kind of keep going it down over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start right here, and I'm going to kind of curve it forward right here. There's a bit of a curve right there. It's gonna pull up a bit, and then over here it's gonna have another ridge over here, up. Down. Curve down right here for the teeth. Before I do that, by the way, I'm actually gonna pull the curve line over here where it's like that skin as the T-Rex opens his mouth. Yeah, there's like a skin right there underneath the, in between the mouth right there. And curve over here. Gonna pull downward as he opens his gaping mouth there. Down over here. Pull up, curve up. Over here on this side. Curve. Over here as well. Underneath. Right here for kind of the throat area. And pull down. Line up. Down here, pull up. Pull up here. Right here, we're just throwing out different sizes of teeth. They're a little bit more thin, and the reason I'm making a little bit more thin is I want to give it that venom feel, that symbiote feel, right? Line over here. And line up. Let's go over here to the nostril. Curve. Line underneath. All right, now let's go over here to the tongue, right? The T-Rex does have a tongue, but he doesn't have like a venom tongue. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna pull it out over here, and I'm gonna kind of think of it like a slide. Curve up. Like so. It's gonna be pulling out. Curve. Curve back. Line in over here. Gonna go over here on this side. Same thing as I did up there. Gonna draw some teeth and vary the size. Curve underneath. Line over here. Zigzag up. Line down here. And curve over here on this side. All right, gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw kind of a line right here because there's some ridge over here on this side. Curve over here. Curve over here on this side. And over here. Gonna go over here on this as well. Up. Because there is a ridge kind of at the top there. That's not a venomy thing right there. I'm gonna fill that in with black, right? It's kind of a ridge on the top of that head right there. And the next thing I'm gonna do here is I'm going to kind of fill in this part, the back of the mouth here, just a bit. Well, a bit. I'm gonna just fill it in right there. See, like to kind of make it look deeper and more cavernous. Curve, 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 curve. Right on. Gonna go over here. Draw a couple of lines for the texture of the mouth. And I'm gonna draw some thinner lines right here, like to like cross hatching almost. It's these thin lines that are gonna run against each other. And the reason I'm doing that, well, I'm gonna make some of these a little bit darker because it's not completely dark, but it's darker. Curve, 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 curve. I mean, now it's kind of up to you how many scales you want to put. Do you want to throw like these curved ridges here on the side to give it the texture right of a T-Rex? You can totally do that. You can maybe give this a little bit of a darker look right here as well underneath if you want it to be a little bit darker, or if you really want, you can draw some like venomy, what is it called? Symbiote, just kind of around some of these, you know, just kind of random spillings of that going on there, you know? And I'm making them too similar. It's kind of, you gotta try to make them random, kind of have them all over the place. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like T-Rex dinosaurs or Venom and stuff like that. I want to thank you for watching. You guys are amazing and the reason this channel exists. I can curve a little bit more over here, by the way. But I want to thank you all so much. All right. You're awesome. If you want to do a favor for the channel, please, if you enjoyed this, share the video with a friend that you think might like it, or share it on your Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or anything like that. When you share it there, it does a gigantic amount. Twitter, Tumblr, anything that exists, Reddit, it does a huge amount for the channel, and it's better than even tipping us money. That is so good. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time, and I'll see you very soon, all right?
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.